Hey guys, what's happening? Why can't I log into my Yahoo Mail account? So there are several reasons, right? You may be unable to log into your Yahoo Mail account due to several reasons, including incorrect password, account lockout, browser issues, or problems with the Yahoo service itself. Yahoo has also has security measures like account lockouts after multiple failed login attempts and blocks access from insecure apps. Here is a more detailed breakdown of potential causes and solutions. Sometimes, you have the incorrect password or username. Double check your password for typos, especially capitalization and special characters. If you've forgotten your password, just use the forgot password or username button right here, right? And or sign in helper option to reset it. Ensure you're using the correct username or email address associated with your Yahoo account. And secondly, account lockout. Yahoo may temporarily lock your account after multiple failed login attempts as a security measure, right? If locked out, wait 12 to 24 hours before trying again. Okay, so lastly, the browser issues, right? Clear your browser's cache and cookies. You can just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right here and go to your browsing data. So go ahead right here and delete it directly, or you can just go ahead to the settings, content, and privacy and security. And now what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit delete browsing data, right? And select the time range, and if you want to delete the cookies and other site data and cache images and files, and then hit right here as I'm pointing it out, the delete data, right? And try a different browser if that didn't work out. If one browser isn't working, try another to see if the issue is browser specific. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.